Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be making a smocked tube top. Start by taking your upper chest measurement and multiply it by 2 or 3. I ended up using about 1.5 meters of fabric folded in half by 13 inches. Make adjustments based on size and preference. For this project, you will need elastic thread. It's a very important part of it. This creates that stretchy smocked effect. You're going to hand wind the bobbin with the elastic thread. Make sure not to stretch it as you wind. Even though we're using elastic thread for the bobbin, we'll be using normal thread for the top thread.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
Place the fabric at the 1-inch mark on your machine when sewing the first line.
It's not for me to say.
When sewing the next rows, the width will be half the length of the foot. Pull the fabric straight while sewing to maintain stretch.
say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
I finished one side and cut it to the size I wanted, then matched the size on the second piece, leaving 1 inch excess on the top and bottom.
It's not for me to say.
I pinned one side down, then tried on the top to find how much excess needed to be removed. Cut off the excess and pin right sides together. Serge or sew the side seams together. Iron the smocking to even out the texture and for a more professional look. So if you don't have a serger to finish the raw edge of the top and bottom, here's how to do a rolled hem. I would suggest folding it 1/8 an inch. I did 1/4 of an inch here, but I think it would be a more realistic rolled hem if it was 1/8 of an inch, but it's just easier to show and see at 1/4 of an inch.
It's not for me to say you love.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.